The more important thing, wow, I guess it was. I guess it was more like learning about Frantico's, like his background, and like it's just like the way he put his heart into it. I never seen something like that before. Like somebody so passionate about it. Like he really teach us more than cuts or a hairstyle or whatever. He he really taught us how to like put our heart on everything we do. And for me, I guess that was the biggest lesson that he gave us. Just to be the better version of ourselves every single day, you know, and put our hearts in everything that we do. So, man, I don't know. I'm just so happy I did this. My plans, I will definitely put in practice every single thing that I learned here. I will definitely gonna dedicate myself to help others, you know, like the way Tico helped us, because I think everybody deserves the same opportunity.
You're gonna be the greatest artist ever.
Thank you. Thank you.
He's an artist in all ways.
Thank you, bro.
I'm so proud.
No, I'm